I hope you enjoyed the videos as much as I enjoy making them. Well, it's Memorial Day weekend. I decided to get up early and hit the river before all the party animals start.
Your destination is on the left.
And here I am. You know what? Let me unload. Let me go down the ramp. There's no one here. One way in, one way out. Looks good. The river looks pretty good. Not too fast. How can you not love this view? It is so peaceful. It's 10 in the morning, nobody's here. This part of the river is too shallow for motorboats. So the kayakers have it all to themselves. Love this view right here. I could look at it all day, but I'd rather be on the river. I don't have to have my life vest on, but today I will. The current's a little strong. I'm not going to take any chances. I know what you're thinking. He's moving pretty fast for an old man. Well, let's take a look. The river's fast. Right here is an eddy. This is nice. This is calm here. The rapids right along there. You got rapids. Stay away from there. All right, Memorial Day weekend on the Schuylkill River. No, I'm not by myself. There's Uncle Gene. We're looking for catfish. We're someplace between Royas Ford and Pottstown, I guess, right?
Right.
Yeah. So far, so good. No boats, no kayakers. Nobody's out. So we're hoping we can capitalize on this. By the way, the water temperature is 65 degrees, if anybody cares. Doesn't do you any good when you're sitting at home. I should clear the other line. He's a thriving. Pulling him up. I went to a little deeper water. And that's where he came from. And I'm going through debris right now. Nice thing about a kayak is when you go through debris or something, you can go over there and usually get them out. Where's he going? It's on the right hand side. I have another line, and that's where he's going. Okay. No rush. He's coming up. He's close to the boat, so I'm not worried about the other line getting tangled up. Wow, he's rolling. See, this is why you can't have too long of a rod in a kayak. Number one, you want a short butt, okay? Otherwise, it'll be jamming you in the stomach. And the other thing is, right here, if your rod is too far away from you, okay, let's see. Right now, get the grips out. I gotta put my cell phone in a case or something. I don't want to get wet. Now, don't go. I think I got plenty of nice size leader. The best thing is open up. There you go. Open up the bail. Put in a rod holder. Like he says, I mean, you see I've got him here. You never know when they're going to get that second wind. I mean, I could pick them up. But then I have all that slime all over me. Come on. Ah, the bugs are biting me. Oh, this is ridiculous. I'm definitely not putting my fingers in his mouth. Not because he's got teeth. But man, when they chomp down on you, you know what? Just gotta clear this chicken liver. Okay. You're on. Yeah, I know. Let me see. Stop complaining, I'm gonna let you go. Okay. There you go. Come on. I'm like a dentist. I'm gonna help you out here. This has gotta hurt. Come on. And there is my catch. It's the biggest one of the day. Nice fish. Let's let him go. He'll love it. Here we go. Here we go, in the back. Now this one hit in the middle of the river. Well, I tell you, when they hit, I think he's a big one. He's coming in nicely. Not giving me any trouble at all. Look at him spinning around, acting silly. Oh, you're not that big. I caught bigger than that today. Thinks he's so mean. Really? Really? You know what? What's going on here with this sinker? On the wrong side. Oops. That's my anchor. I want to show people how small you are. How embarrassing you are. Look at this guy. He thinks he's so tough. Okay. Gonna grab him right under here. Should be a safe place to grab him. Should come out easy. I said, what did I say? Some of them fall out and others take a little time. Okay. Not a monster. Beautiful. He's just losing his spots. Goodbye. Is that you, Uncle Gene? Yeah, I lost one. Okay. As I was going by, he was ready to tell me a story. I'll get him. But I had fish to catch. I'll pick him up for you, all right? He could tell me his story later. Current's a little faster than I like here. Right on the other side of this. I think the water gets a little deeper. And that's where I want to fish. There's a little break here. Get closer to the bank. Something very big. He's gonna break my rod. Well, that's why you have drag. That's why you have a drag, Gene. Oh, there he is. I might impossible to keep control of the boat here. Hey, that's a keeper.
That's a keeper, Ed.
All right. I got plenty of film. I'll keep rolling.
Okay.
You take them out. We'll take pictures.
Not bad.
Okay, I'm gonna. Ah, I lost my grippers just like that.
Just doing this.
Nah, I was fishing the other day and it's like I hear plunk and it fell in the water.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't know what the plunk was. And I said, oh, where's my fish grippers? That was the plunk.
Never gonna get enough.
Okay. That's it. Now we hooked. All right, Gene. That's a beauty. Let me spin around. Yeah, I had to get in front of him again. Otherwise, he would catch the fish first. Did I show you how I managed to keep the chicken liver on the hook? Well, here's my little secret. I buy elastic thread in Walmart and thread that stretches. And I just wrap it around the chicken liver, making a package. Go this way a few times and go that way a few times. And that holds it all together. And then when I put the when I put the hook through the chicken liver, it doesn't actually go through the chicken liver. It goes through the elastic thread. That's what holds everything together. Now you can cast it, do whatever you want with it, and it's gonna stay on. Try it. You'll love it. Try to use fresh chicken livers, otherwise it stinks. This rod right here looks like there's something interested, but it's not committing. When you see this spool moving, that means the fish has committed, took it in his mouth, and is running with it. And that's how it sets the hook on itself. I mean, I don't like it where I threw it, because I hope I can get it out. Uh-oh. This rod's going now. See that? He was bent. Was a little different last week. Okay. Here's a train whistle. There's a train whistle. Here we go. Is that a signal for the fish to bite? Is that a signal for the fish to bite? Let's see. Are you kidding me? I just threw this one out. Seems like they're more in the middle of the river. Another one. I think she's big. Ooh. Easy. Wow. Okay. That's what the drag is for. Oh, good. He wrapped around my other line. Good. What's a flathead gonna fight like? We gotta get the cat, and again, this guy's not that big. Man, they fight the little ones. Okay, let's grab the leader here. Oh, he got my other line so twisted up. He loves it. He loves it. Can't twist it up enough, can you? Juvenile. But he fought hard. Come on, oops. After he freed himself. Oh, he will. Okay. Let me help you. Tell you, these circle hooks are unbelievable. How good they are. Look at that. Just threw that out. Oh, you gotta love the summer channel cats. You gotta love them. He's going up river. There's my leader. Okay, weigh you down a little bit. Weigh you down. That's funny. I just threw it out there. Keep it out of the way of this one. I thought the sinker was bouncing on the bottom. Come on. I think I got 12 pound test line on this one. Should be alright. You shouldn't be going anywhere. Where is my... Oh no. Oh no, yes it is. Now, it should float, but it is the river. Well, goodbye to my fish grips. Over the 7 years that I fished, I lost cell phones, I lost cameras, and many other things that go on the side of the kayak. That's part of kayak fishing. And that flap was the floating fish grips. Okay, got the line. Open up the bail, just in case it gets silly. No fish grips. This is why. Come on, let me hit. Can I get you by the... Okay. Okay. Circle hook strikes again. Okay, okay. He said thank you. He said thank you. Okay. Let's see if we get another one. That was funny to see that. Whoa. Whoa, look. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I thought it was the hello. Okay. Brought him around the right side at least. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see, this is why you gotta have your drag set correctly. Because when they do that thumping, they will break off. Okay, let him just wear himself out. Couple of more cranks. Bring them in. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now open up the bait feeder. That's just in case. So much easier. There you go. It is so much easier with hold on. Let me get you the other hand. That's it. Ah! come on. He's trying to punish me. Ah, man, that hurts. Remember when I told you this section of the river is mainly for the kayaks? Just when you think you've seen it all. They're heading towards the dam. They're not going to go anywhere. Well, I heard the engine rev up, and they went right over that dam upstream. First time I ever seen that. Oh, there is more. You haven't seen anything yet. Okay, this is what's happening. I don't know how they do it. Okay, the jet skis on the stand. And why would they do it? These things aren't cheap. And there's a boat behind them. Are you kidding me? I think the water here might be 4 feet. And where they are, that's the shallow section of the river. Oh, it's some kind of a boat parade. I've been here many a times, never seen a boat because it does get shallow. Hey people, this is the quietest part of the river, just about, that could be. Nah, you know, he's not going on top of it. He's going to the dam, and that's it. I want to see them go over the dam. Well, that was enough to get me packing and go home.